Hello everybody, here I am in my 2011 Mazda 2. I just wanted to show you the problem I'm trying to fix here, and it's with my internal air system. So zero, the fans don't obviously work on zero, and in this case they're not working on 1, 2, or 3. They only work on 4. So to try to fix this, I have a resistor. Got it online for about 35 bucks, and I think we just have to go down there and replace it. So let's do that. First thing we're going to do is take out the glove box, and we're just going to squeeze each side in, kind of like so, on each side to have these tabs clear inside, and then the whole thing will pop right out. And to make my life a little easier, I'm going to take this plate, this one here. It kind of gets in the way over here for my screwdriver to get in, so underneath there's these tabs. Just gotta push them in, pull it down, push it in, and pull it down. And looks like I just slide it out from the back. There we go. Now we have a lot more room. Okay, just so you can see where it is, I'm gonna go under here. And it's right there. This is what we're trying to replace. So you see those two Phillips there? I'm just gonna take those out, and I'm probably gonna do that off camera because this is already pretty tight. Okay, so the screws are out. And at this point, we should be able to pull it out. And that's what we're replacing. Here's the new one. And just gonna unplug that one, plug it into this one, and put it back in. Okay, let's do the moment of truth. Hey! Nice! So at this point, I'm just gonna reinstall the kick plate that was under there. That's this thing here. And that's pretty dirty, but that just slides on and clips in the front. And then the glove box goes in. There's little spots on the back of the glove box right here. They go there, and then you pinch the sides and just close the glove box, and that'll be it. And I'm freezing, so I'm gonna end it there, and that's a great success. Awesome. I'll catch you guys next time.